All right, I feel like I look like a bit of a hot mess. I have like allergies and it's affecting this eye. But I did want to talk about a product that I've been using and I'm on the fence about it. This is from Morphe and it's their Nano Brow. I love a good Nano Brow. This one, ever since I got it though, like when I open it, sometimes the little tip is out more than it needs to be. It's very interesting. And I feel like there's not that much product here. So with a Nano Brow, you don't want to, does this not go down? Oh, perfect. Okay, it's doing exactly what I wanted to show you. So if I pull it up, right? And then like as I use it, oh, now it's not doing it. Now I look like a liar. It just goes down. I just did it a few seconds ago. Anyways, with a Nano Brow Pencil, it's not meant to fill completely into your whole eyebrow. You're really supposed to use it to kind of shape. I apologize for my, I look like a mess. Oh, also, these are my new lights. Let me know what you think about the lighting. So let's take it. I am gonna start filling in. So I do like that it has a super fine point to really help me shape my brows, and it does mimic the little brow hairs. The color's great. I've always loved Morphe's eyebrow pencils because they have the best range when it comes to shades, especially for brunettes. I'm so over and I love Milani and everything and like drugstore brands, but I'm so over giving me one brow shade for brown hair or brunettes, and we're not all warm browns. So I'm in shade Cold Brew. Cold Brew is it's not too warm. It's like somewhere in the middle. So really nice. So now the pencil, of course, is behaving like it's supposed to be. When I was using it the other day, I just felt like it kept just disappearing or going back in. I don't know. I read a few reviews of people complaining about how the pencil, some people just didn't get any in their box or whatever. It could just be a bad batch. I'm not gonna totally crap on the brand. Sometimes bad batches happen. I generally love Morphe's eyebrow products though. It's by far one of my favorites, and I would almost compare them to NYX. NYX is another, if you don't love Morphe, NYX is another brand to look into, especially if you're looking for different colors for brows. They have a huge range and they're about in the same family. Now this pencil is $11. The other one that I liked a lot, and here I am sounding like a hypocrite, but Alicia has one, and I think they only had 3 shades, but they had the best cool brown shade, and it was amazing. This kind of technology, let me see if this is made in Korea. Usually, yeah, made in Korea. So this kind of technology where it's super, super micro fine nano is usually made in Korea, and they freaking kill it when they make it. So they really know what they're doing. So who is this for? If you have super, super fluffy full brows, you can still use it. I would just use it to kind of fill in. If you have thin eyebrows like I do, or thinner eyebrows, this is great for detail work, definition. It's amazing. So I really like it. It did a difference on my face. I'm not wearing makeup. I just filled in my eyebrows and there's a big difference. All right, let me know if you've tried this. Also, let me know if you recommend any other kind of micro or just any brows that's your favorite products. Comment down below. That's a huge, huge must for me whenever I'm doing my makeup. I'll see you guys in my next one.